Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Evangelina's Craft. How is everybody doing today? I hope everybody's doing well. For today, I'd like to share with you the idea of my first beachside DIY. So I'm gonna make use of my based board, which this one, if you remember, I used this in my Easter DIY. I'm gonna make use of it, and I'm just gonna make sort of a scene like a beach where you can see a house and it's like a restaurant but not actually a restaurant. It's just a beach scene, and I'm gonna make use of some shells, some rocks, some of this, and I'm gonna use again my beach chair. I'm gonna use some foam for my possible to make the foundation of my platform, and some seashells, some plants over here, and possibly some wood chips such as the mermaid tails, some turtle, seahorse, and a whale, and this anchor. So we'll see from there. It's just a beach scene, okay? So I'm not gonna show you step by step. I'll just show you the finished one, okay? It's pretty simple. Here is my finish and final reveal of my first DIY for the beach side theme. As you can see, it is very simple. I have a old wooden Chinese chime house outdoor, and it was broken, and I just decided to use it as a house in my beach tray. I just colored it with white and distressed it with some antique wax, and this is the fish. I just sort of the wood fish board from the Dollar Tree, and there's the anchor. I just colored it with I used my rubber stamp to put some colors on it. I painted the anchor white and hang a little fish on it. And there's my turtle. This is the same tray that I used in my Easter DIY. And I put some plants. And the turtle, I colored it with green and put some yellow dots. And these are the stones and the moss, dried moss, and some shells. And I put a fish tail on the back of the beach signage. The beach sign, I colored it with turquoise paint acrylic, and I just sort of put some strips of dark blue to at least help it look visible for the word. And there you are, guys. This is my DIY for my beach corner. Very simple, not too much to the only hard part that I did was the painting. And over here I put some jute twine. I just if you could see, there's an inside of it. That's just how I do it there. And I put this starfish wood chip, hang it on there, and that's it. And I hope you like my DIY for the beach theme. Have a good day, and until my next DIY, I'll be back soon. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And hope to see you again. Bye for now.